Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Nissan 1.3 HR13 DDT engine is a modern 1.3-liter, 1,332 cubic centimeters, four-cylinder, turbocharged gasoline engine. It's a product of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance, co-developed with Mercedes-Benz, where it's known as the M282. This engine is designed for efficiency, performance, and compliance with strict emission standards, often found in compact and midsize vehicles. History and versions. The HR13 DDT, also known as the 1.3 DIG-T by Nissan and 1.3 TCE by Renault, or H5H by Renault, was introduced around 2018. It replaced older, less efficient smaller displacement engines, like the 1.2 DIG-T in Nissan Qashqai. Its development focused on incorporating advanced technologies for both power and fuel economy. Key characteristics of this engine include aluminum alloy block and head for lightweight construction, dual overhead camshafts, DOHC, with 16 valves, optimizes airflow, direct fuel injection, DFI delivers fuel directly into the combustion chamber for improved efficiency and a higher compression ratio. Turbocharger with an electronic wastegate enhances responsiveness, especially at low engine speeds, and allows for precise boost control. Continuously variable valve timing control, CVDC on both intake and exhaust sides for optimized valve overlap. Bore spray coating, a technology initially seen in high-performance engines like the Nissan GT-R. It reduces friction within the cylinders, improving efficiency. Gasoline particulate filter, GPF, to meet stricter European emission standards. Compact delta cylinder head, a triangular-shaped cylinder head design that allows for centrally installed fuel injectors for better combustion. Mild hybrid MHEV versions. Increasingly, this engine is paired with a mild hybrid system to further enhance fuel economy and reduce emissions, providing a small electric boost during acceleration and improving stop-start system functionality. It powers various models, including Nissan Qashqai J11 and J12 generations, X-Trail, Juke, Micra, Renault Megane Kadjar, Arkana, Captur, Grand Scenic, Mercedes-Benz A-Class, B-Class, GLA, GLB, as the M282. There are typically different power outputs available for the HR13 DDT, for example 140 PS, 103 kilowatts, and 160 PS, 118 kilowatts, in a Nissan Qashqai, with varying torque figures depending on the transmission, manual or DCT. Review and opinions. The HR13 DDT engine generally receives a positive reception for its performance and efficiency, especially considering its relatively small displacement. Many reviews highlight its zesty and efficient driveline and its ability to provide ample power for everyday driving and even highway cruising. It's often praised for being well paired with both manual transmissions and the dual-clutch transmission, DCT, available in some models, which offers a more direct feel than Nissan's Stronach CVTs. Those CVT versions also exist. Its refinement and quiet operation are also frequently mentioned, thanks to features like higher torque at low RPMs, which reduces the need for high revving. Advantages. Strong performance for its size. The turbocharger provides good torque from low RPMs, making the engine feel more powerful than its 1.3-liter displacement suggests. Excellent fuel efficiency, direct injection, advanced friction reduction, and variable valve timing contribute to competitive fuel consumption figures. Mild hybrid versions further enhance this. Refinement and smoothness. Generally quiet and smooth in operation, especially at cruising speeds. Technologically advanced. Features like bore spray coating, electronic wastegate, and central injectors represent cutting-edge engine design. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain for valve actuation, which is designed to last the engine's lifetime, reducing a significant maintenance cost. Extended service intervals. Nissan has often extended service intervals for vehicles with this engine, e.g., from 12,000 to 18,000 miles in some regions, indicating confidence in its durability. Disadvantages and common faults. While generally well regarded, the HR-13 DDT, being a modern, complex turbocharged direct injection engine, has potential areas for concern. Carbon buildup. Direct injection. Like virtually all direct injection engines, it is susceptible to carbon deposits on the intake valves over time. This can lead to reduced performance, rough idle, and misfires if not periodically cleaned, e.g., with walnut blasting, typically at higher mileages. Potential for thermostat failures. Some anecdotal reports suggest a higher incidence of thermostat failures in the 1.3 HR-13 DDT, which can lead to coolant issues or overheating if not addressed. Monitoring coolant levels is advised. Turbocharger longevity. While designed for durability, turbochargers are complex components that operate under extreme conditions. Long-term reliability of the turbocharger unit itself will depend on maintenance and driving habits. Sensitivity to oil quality and maintenance. Due to direct injection, turbocharging, and low-friction coatings, using the correct specification and high-quality oil, and adhering to or even shortening oil change intervals is crucial for preventing issues like LSBI, low-speed pre-ignition, and ensuring long-term engine health. Complex diagnostics/repair. The advanced technologies mean that diagnostics and repairs, should they be needed, might be more complex and potentially more expensive than for simpler, older engines. Gasoline particulate filter, GPF. While necessary for emissions, GPFs can sometimes become clogged, particularly with extensive short-distance city driving, requiring regeneration or, in rare cases, replacement. Fuel consumption. The HR-13 DDT is designed to be very fuel efficient. Actual figures will vary based on the vehicle model, Qashqai, Juke, etc., transmission type, manual, DCT or CVT, drivetrain, FWD or AWD, and driving style. In the Nissan Qashqai, combined fuel consumption can range from around 5.5 to 6.2 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 38 to 43 mpg US/45 to 51 mpg UK, depending on the power output and drivetrain. Mild hybrid versions tend to offer slightly better real-world efficiency, especially in urban environments due to improved stop-start and electric assistance. Timing. The Nissan HR-13 DDT engine uses a timing chain to control the camshafts. This is a durable component generally designed to last the entire lifespan of the engine, unlike timing belts which require periodic replacement. The timing chain type is a silent chain. However, the longevity of the timing chain heavily relies on proper and timely engine oil changes with the correct oil specification. Neglecting oil changes or using incorrect oil can lead to premature wear or stretch of the timing chain and its tensioners, potentially causing rattling noises, especially on cold startup, and eventually requiring costly replacement. Some sources suggest to check every 15,000 kilometers, approximate 9,000 miles, for signs of wear. Oil. Recommended oil type. The Nissan HR-13 DDT/Renault M5 requires SAE 5W 30 or, in some cases, 0W 30 full synthetic motor oil. It is critical that the oil meets specific industry standards like ASEA C3 for engines with GPF and potentially manufacturer-specific approvals like Renault RN17 or Mercedes-Benz MB 229.52 to ensure compatibility with the direct injection system and gasoline particulate filter. Oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 5.4 liters, approximately 5.7 quarts, with an oil filter change. Always consult the specific vehicle's owner's manual for the precise capacity. Oil change interval. Manufacturer recommendations often state extended intervals, such as 18,000 miles, approximate 29,000 kilometers, or annually. However, given it's a small turbocharged direct injection engine with a GPF, many experts and cautious owners advise shorter intervals, perhaps 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers, 6,000 to 9,000 miles, especially for cars driven in heavy city traffic, short trips, or other severe conditions. Using high-quality synthetic oil is paramount for the longevity of this engine. Overall, the Nissan 1.3 HR13 DDT engine is a capable and efficient modern powertrain that delivers a good balance of performance and economy. While it incorporates advanced technologies that demand specific maintenance practices, especially regarding oil, it is generally considered a solid engine with good long-term potential when properly cared for. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.